How to sell without hurting. Hey guys, this is Nikhil Sai. Welcome back to another video today. If you really want to make a lot of money, right? So you should be continuously selling to your own customer because it is always easy to existing customer than a new one, right? Because the actual money is inside the follow-up, right? So if you want to continuously sell to your existing customers, your customers may get hurt, they get offended, they start hating you, they don't love you anymore, right? They break that connection with you, right? So how to sell smoothly, this is what I am going to explain in this video. How to sell without hurting in a very profitable way, without hurting their emotions, and in a very smooth way and smiley way. So let's get right into the video. So the number one key to sell without hurting is making sure that you have a follow-up, right? Because you can't sell everything on the upfront. Maybe you can sell once, hardly twice, with a lot of struggle thrice. That's it. If you sell 100 different products at a single time, they will definitely hate you. Maybe they do the transaction right away, but they will think again and they'll be like, oh no, I'm never going to buy from this guy again because he's selling me a lot of stuff. This will be the consumer mindset. So you don't want to do that hard sell, right? Take it smoothly and do some buttery, milky, cheesy stuff so that you can get that sale right away without even hurting the person, right? The prospect or the customer. How to do it is a simple key is having follow-up sequences, right? Maybe if it's phone call, maybe if it's WhatsApp, Messenger, even if it's email, it doesn't really matter. Make sure to have a one or the other way connection to you because you want to be providing a lot of value upfront, building some rapport, building some connection, and then telling different story. Again, it comes down to the hook story offer, right? They are already purchasing something. Let's say they got a pen from me, right? Then maybe they like the pen, they're using it, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a follow-up with a hook story offer, right? I'll be providing you some free value, and then after three emails or 3 messages, if they're engaging with me, then in the fourth one, by using the jab right hook formula, I use a hook to grab their attention, then tell a different story how this book which I'm going to sell again can help them, and then create an offer, irresistible offer to purchase that book, right? So they already got a pen, then the missing piece is the book, then they buy it, right? And then after they buy a book, then I'm again going to later a week or after some time, again I'm going to maybe sell a whiteboard, maybe a marker, right? So it's a continuity, right? So you should be selling, if I sell everything like, hey, I have an offer, bundle offer, the book, the billboard, everything in a single place, the chart and everything, that definitely not going to buy. So the way to do it right is having follow-ups in right place, the systems and processes which will drive your business on automation, which will never hurt your customer but build a good rapport, good smooth connection with your customer. Even if they don't buy, they'll never hate you, right? If you do a smooth sell. If you do it in a hard way, like doing a lot of scarcity, giving a lot of call to actions, pushing them to purchase the offer, they will hate you, they will never buy again from you, right? So this is the way I want you to understand the statistics. If you're selling continuously to 100 people, maybe you can make 10 to 15 sales. If you build relationship, if you build rapport, and if you sell to the same 100 people on a continuity, maybe 20, 30, 40 people may end up buying on a long term, right? So you should always plan for a long term game because we are not here for a quick buck, right? So you are definitely building a business here. So you should make sure that you have a list, you have a customer list who are engaging with you, have an automation system correctly inside the place so that they can nurture every single lead, every single customer in the right way and add that missing piece into their puzzle to help them to add a little bit of value, add a little bit of positioning into their life. So make sure that every product you sell should definitely add something into their life which will actually solve their problem, right? So this is how you sell smoothly. Make sure to have the follow-up and always follow the jab right hook strategy, right? So by doing this simple follow-up sequences with jab right hook strategy, you're not going to do any hard sell, you're not going to push anyone. Your follow-ups will be lovable, like people will definitely love to read them, people will love to engage them. Still, if they want, they will buy, or else they have the choice, they will leave, right? That's it. And they're not leaving the connection here, they're just leaving that follow-up, that's it, right? So this is a very good and effective way on how to sell without hurting. I hope this is making sense. Let me know if you have any more questions below. I would love to answer you on the comments, and if you have any suggestions for the next topic, I would love to help you. This is Nikhil Sai signing off. Peace.